Welcome to my video. As you can see, how to turn off the restrictions to your from your YouTube. My friend just told me that. In here, that my friend just told me that. Look at this. What is that? So I'm gonna be making this video from my friend. His name is Jim Mushfiqur Ahmad Jisan. So I'm gonna make this video. This is a very important video. This will be short. So what we need to do here is look at this. Okay. So restriction and the blah 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 blah. So now what you need to do is go to YouTube. Go to this is the like videos 1000. I could likes this, like some sort of like. So the next thing you need to go is settings, general. There we go. I turn everything. You have to turn off this. In his location, United Kingdom, you have to turn off whatever you can set it. Then in here you have the restricted mode, like this. You have to cut this thing off. If you have to turn, this thing is turned on, you have to turn this off. I turned this off a little bit time ago, but please turn this off right now, or you cannot watch my videos. This I'm very sorry to say, because the problem is with my questioning videos, they just get banned because of the things that I post that will be restricted, because of that YouTube reviews my videos and say, what is that, ghosts, and these are above 18+. So please turn off this setting, because this is and make sure update your YouTube. Let's check my YouTube a little bit. YouTube, click on that. Oh wow. So you have to update it, and this will work again. And I'm gonna tell you that if you really we have a problem. This problem is fixed now, and bye bye. So this is the thing is this is the message for all that the problem is with this thing. So what I'm gonna do here is thanks for watching. And the thing is, the problem with my videos are really bad. So let's go. Bye bye. See you again in the next video. Bye bye.